Hi y'all, so today we are doing another cleaning motivation video, and I also have a mini cleaning supply haul from Miss Meyers. I thought I was going to be doing a power hour, but it kind of just turned into me cleaning a little bit here and there throughout the day. I just filmed all of it and put it in one video so that I can get some cleaning motivation out for you guys. This is just a reminder that you don't have to do it all in one sitting. Sometimes, like today, I only have 10 minutes here or there all throughout the day to get some cleaning done. So that's what I did. So if you want to keep watching and get some cleaning motivation, clean along with me, then let's keep going. We will be starting in the guest room today. I wanted to fold the rest of this clean clothes that I hadn't gotten to, and I needed to wash the sheets because the day I was filming this was about 2 days before my mom was going to come. If you can tell in the video, I am super pregnant in this video. I was about to pop, and my mom was coming to stay with us for like the week before and a couple weeks after I have the baby. So I just wanted to make sure the guest room was nice and fresh for her. So I'm just gonna fold up the remainder of this clothes I didn't get to from the day before and then strip the bed to wash it. This I was doing at nap time when my son went down for a nap, and I thought I was gonna do a nap time power hour, but I just did not have the energy in me, probably because I was so pregnant and so close to giving birth. Right after I started the wash, I took a nap. So yeah, I was exhausted, and I figured I'll just do the cleaning later when my husband was home to hang out with our son. So yeah, mama took a nap. Then while I was napping, my Miss Meyers order came in, it got delivered. So I was just going to show you guys what I got. I tried to get a bunch of the seasonal stuff, but some of the orange and clove and snowdrop stuff was already sold out. I couldn't believe it. So I got 2 of the Iowa Pine multi-purpose sprays. I got a dish soap, I got a candle, and a room spray, and I wanted to get the same spread of snowdrop and orange clove, but this is all I could get. So I got a snowdrop candle and room spray and an orange clove multi-purpose spray and a candle. So I'll probably just use those for the rest of November and save my Iowa Pine for the December months, obviously, because I want to get in that Christmas mood. And then I got the peppermint stuff for my downstairs cleaning kit. So I got a multi-purpose spray, a room spray, a candle, and then I got a hand soap and a lotion for the bathroom down there. So yeah. And I also, the last time I went shopping, got some fresh pine and juniper Airwick essentials stuff. Currently I have the apple cinnamon for the rest of November, and then of course in December I'll do all pine, clean the floors with pine sol, get all in that pine Christmas spirit. So yeah, that was the cleaning haul, and now I am down in the basement just going to clean up. I decided today I wanted to do a really good vacuum where I move everything I can move. So most days I just pick up the toys and then I vacuum around the chairs, the furniture, stuff like that. But today I picked up all the toys and I moved anything I could move. So the play kitchen, the decorative chairs, that kind of stuff, I moved it out of the way and vacuumed really good underneath and around that stuff. And then if you can see also on the right side, we have a random mattress. This is our old mattress that me and my husband used to sleep on, and we were going to just give it away after we got a new mattress. However, we moved it to the basement before we were going to give it away. We were going to go put it in the basement and then the next day put it into the car from the garage and go give it away. However, our son loves playing on it and laying on it and jumping on it, and we were literally going to give it away and then buy those really cute play pads that are kind of different shapes. And we were like, why would we basically throw this away and then spend $300 on play pads when he likes playing on this mattress? So I just ordered a fitted sheet for this mattress, so it's not completely naked all the time. I'm just gonna vacuum it really quick today, and then when that fitted sheet comes in, it'll have a fitted sheet on it, so I can just take that off and wash it occasionally when I want to. And my son just has this fun little pad to play on. So then after doing a really thorough vacuum everywhere, I put the chairs back and then sprayed the whole room down and the couch and everything with the peppermint room spray that I just got. So I'm loving that for downstairs. It smells so good. And then I figured I would show you guys my downstairs cleaning kit just in case you're curious. I know it's a little bit extra, but it really does help me to have cleaning stuff just down here already. So I have scissors to open toys and cleaning packages and stuff, room spray, multi-purpose spray, half water, half vinegar for windows and mirrors, Ajax powder, toilet cleaner, and bleach bathroom cleaner. And this stays in one of the cupboards in my laundry room. And it just honestly really, really helps to have it, because just like today, when I just have 10 minutes of time to myself or whatever, when I'm coming down to like flip the laundry from the washer to the dryer and I find myself having 5 or 10 minutes, I can just grab it really quick, wipe stuff down, spray the room spray, clean the bathroom if I need to clean the bathroom. It really, really helps to not have to go all the way back upstairs to grab stuff and come back down, because by that time my child has seen me, he needs something, my husband needs something, I'm about to have a baby, the baby's gonna need something, you know what I mean? So it honestly really does help to just have it down here ready to go. So now we're back upstairs and I am just going to be making the guest bed really quick. I love this bedspread. It's from Walmart. I think it's so cute. It really reminds me of home. It has like all the Texas flowers and cactus flowers and succulents and stuff. I love it. And I love all the color in this room, because when it's not being used as a guest room, I use it as a makeup and getting ready room, and I film in here, and it's just really fun and colorful. So I love that. I'm just going to make the bed, spray everything down with a jasmine and patchouli room spray, and then vacuum really, really good in here as well. And then since I already had the vacuum out, I decided to basically vacuum the entire upstairs. My bedroom and my son's bedroom didn't really need anything done. Like I didn't have to pick anything up. So I literally just swooped in there with the vacuum, and then I vacuumed our bedroom. I probably had a couple things I could put away in here, but nothing on the floor is what I mean. So I just vacuumed in here really quick, because again, it's just like I had 10-15 minutes of uninterrupted time. Already had the vacuum out, might as well just vacuum. So I'm also going to vacuum all the way down the hallway, vacuumed the kitchen, the living room, the dining room, everything. Just got it right out of the way. It really needed to get done, so I just did it when I had the chance. Then after that, I discovered that my lovely husband actually took the time while I was in the basement cleaning and straightening up. He actually did a bunch of dishes, which is super helpful and super nice. So I just went ahead and put all of those clean dishes away, and then I'm going to tackle whatever was left over. I'm sure he just stopped like when the dishwasher and the drying rack was full. So I'm just going to put those away now that they've had time to dry, and then go ahead, finish up the rest of the dishes to get the sink completely empty, and then move on to kind of wiping down and cleaning the rest of the kitchen. And then of course, after finishing all the dishes, I wanted to scrub down the sink. So I just rinsed it really, really well, made sure there was no like loose food and gunk and stuff in the sink. Then I just sprayed it down with my antibacterial Dawn dish soap and gave it a really, really good scrub down. And then I, of course, after rinsing everything down, I spray the entire inside and outside of the sink down with half water, half vinegar. Like always, this is the best thing to use to get your stainless steel shining and get your sink having like no odor basically. So I just spray it all down with that, and then I just wipe down the outside of the sink and I let the inside air dry. I also threw a little Plink lemon garbage disposal ball down into the sink as well to just have a little fresh scent. Those aren't my favorite thing, but the people who lived here before us left like a huge Costco size pack behind, and because I use it very rarely, it's literally still here 6 months later. So I just use it whenever I don't feel like deep cleaning the sink and deep cleaning the garbage disposal. I throw it in there to freshen things up. But yeah, so I'm just going to wipe down the outside of the sink, the faucet and everything, because it had some little marks on it and stuff. I just wanted to get everything shining, streak free, looking nice, and have the sink completely empty and not creating any gross smells. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to wipe down all of the counters and surfaces in the kitchen with that new orange and clove Miss Meyer's multi-purpose spray. I just had to transfer into a different bottle because the bottle I got was leaking. So that's why it's not in an orange bottle, but yeah. And that is everything I did in the kitchen. I just have a little after shot for you, and I set my makeup brushes to the side of the sink because I really needed to wash those. So I put them out as a reminder. And look at these cute little brownies. I made graveyard brownies for Halloween. How cute. So now the final room, just like every day, is the living room. I just like to straighten it up, kind of put the toys away, wipe things down, make sure it's nice and cute, because I do have a few minutes in the morning to come out here and enjoy my coffee by myself, usually before my son wakes up, and I really like that. I like for it to not be cluttered or messy or anything, so I take the time to put his toys away, straighten up, and then I'm also going to spray this room down with a multi-purpose spray, wipe things down, spray the air freshener in the air, on the couch, on the curtains, and call it a night. So thank you so much for watching my video and cleaning along with me. If you are still going, I have an entire playlist full of cleaning motivation, and I will link it down below, and it'll be popping up the screen here in just a second. Thank you so much again for watching. It means the absolute world to me. If you subscribed, thank you a million times over. Welcome to the family, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.